Hello everyone! I am Stephanie Bicapulong and today I'll be sharing what I've learned from Unit 7, The Nature of Microorganism. This topic really helped me understand how small things can make a big difference in our world. Microorganisms are very tiny living things that we can see with our naked eyes. Kailangan natin gumamit ng microscope para makita sila. They are also called microbes, and they include bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae, and protozoa. Let's start with bacteria. They're everywhere, sa lupa, sa tubig, sa hangin, at sa mismong katawan natin. Hindi lahat ng bacteria ay masama. May mga bacteria na nakakatulong, like those used in making yogurt and cheese. Pero may iba na rin na nagdudulot ng sakit. Next is protozoa. They are small, animal-like organisms that live in water and move around to find food. Then we have algae, parang mga halaman sa tubig. They make their own food through photosynthesis and also give us oxygen. Sa fungi naman ay kasama ang molds, yeast at mushrooms. They help decompose dead plants and animals, kaya importante sila sa kalikasan. Ginagamit din sila sa paggawa ng tinapay, alak at gamot. And of course, viruses, sila ang pinakamaliit sa lahat. They can't live on their own. Kailangan nila ng host. Some cause diseases like flu or COVID-19, but because of studying viruses, we learn how to make vaccines. Aside from that, there are also different fields of microbiology, like medical microbiology for studying disease-causing microbes, environmental microbiology for microbes in nature, food microbiology for microbes in food, and industrial microbiology for making antibiotics and other products. In short, microorganisms may be tiny, but they are very powerful. They're a big part of our lives, sometimes harmful but mostly helpful. Without them, our environment would not be balanced, and science and medicine would not grow the way they do today. Thanks for listening. Bye.